figuring out the turn signals on my bike. I got LED lights because the originals were knocked off when I bought it. I got a couple block resistors because there's not enough resistance to run through the electronic. I got an electronic flasher that I'm going to have to put on. But my turn signal switch, the original one, is shot. So I'm just temporarily going to rig it up to a on, off, on toggle switch that you see here. And I'll make a bracket for up on the handlebars here. And that should work. I got them where they will flash and it'll work okay. Not perfect, but okay.